always tell them, I can see you with the reflection on the board. You know, and they're like, that's how one girl threw a candy at me. Yeah, so, but that's another thing I was going to tell you. If you don't have a copy of it, like say your guided notes, and you can, on Smartboard, you can do a split screen. So you can have your PowerPoint up, and you can pull your guided notes up at the same time. And I can show you how to do that. And it's very nice, because that way, the kids that can't spell, that are trying to write on their paper, and you can show them what you want, instead of having to, every class period, draw your little box and write in there what you want them to have and draw your picture. And that, you can even save it. And there's a screen that you can pull down and show it.
Yeah, I've found that.
You use that
yeah.
one, yeah. And this, I know, I still haven't learned everything on Smartboard, but it's awesome, the different things you can do with it. But anything that you have on your computer, you can pull up there and use. Anyway, but overall, very impressive. I didn't have, you know, you work from what I saw, even though I had to leave early, you work from the beginning they walk in the door. There's not downtime, which is awesome, because again, just, I feel like your strength is classroom management, and just your enthusiasm and the knowledge for the subject you're teaching.
I'm still being a first-year teacher. I have a list in my drawer that I keep adding to. Oh, I'm not going to do this next year. Or whereas I didn't see it was important having a veteran teacher next door, I'm like, why would she do that? And then I think, oh, that's silly. Now after being here a little while, I realize, oh, that's why we do that. And it's harder to bring them back. So now that I've kind of implemented something that I probably won't do next year, but I'm going with it and dealing with it this year, that next year I will definitely put on my list.
And that's awesome, because I